Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new video, a new hairstyle, a new technique, a new everything. So we're starting out with this crochet wig cap, and then I'm using this black piece of fabric. It's like a sort of lace type of fabric, but it's not really lace. It's a very stiff, firm, sturdy piece of fabric. It's not so thin. I just took it off of an old corset that I had. So you guys can just find whatever black material that looks similar to this and just use it. And then I used a colored lip pencil to just draw this shape that you guys are seeing right here. And you want the shape to be something like this, with the U portion of it to be a little bit wider than the top portion of it. And I'll explain why a little bit later. Next, you want to just stitch it on to the wig cap. So now I'm taking the braid, and the braid that I'll be using today is the Outre Jumbo braiding hair. You guys know how much I love this hair. If you guys are not new to my channel, you're probably tired of seeing this hair in my videos by now. So I'm just going to cut that in half, and I'll be using 2 packs of this hair, and then I'm just going to crochet that to the wig cap. I won't be elaborating too much on how to do a crochet braid because I think everybody knows how to do a crochet braid right now. But if you don't, I have a few videos on my channel sharing with you guys how to do that. And there are thousands of videos also on YouTube if you don't understand my tutorial. So guys, I did a first attempt at this wig about 3 months ago. So that is way before the crochet lace wig that I shared with you guys about a month and a half ago, almost 2 months now. I did this one first, to be honest, and the way that I did that one was that I made a slit down the center instead of making this slight U that you guys are seeing here. But you definitely want to make this tiny U. We're not going to be leaving any of our hair out, but this method definitely reduces the tension, which is why I had to cancel the first wig because it had too much tension when I attached it to my natural hair, and we don't want to damage our natural hair. So yeah, I just went back to the drawing board. I just went for my physics, and this is why I created this U shape there instead of the first angle that I had before. So yeah, you guys can trust that whenever I put a video out here, it's gonna be definitely something that's gonna promote healthy hair growth while giving you guys a beautiful hairstyle. Yeah, I think I should have made the black fabric wider, like more space on it, instead of making it so small. And then I should have made a second stitch around it. So now I'm just going in with my scissors, and I'm just going to cut out the center portion of the wig like this. And you want to be careful that you're not cutting on the thread that is sewing it down to the cap. Oh, and I did double stitch this black fabric to the crochet wig cap. Guys, it's very important that you get a large wig cap for this particular wig. You don't want to get a medium size, even if you would normally wear a medium cap for other wigs, for full wigs. Get a size up for this particular wig because you want it to be so relaxed on your head. And if it's too small, when you fasten it to your hair, it will be stretching, and you don't want anything to be stretching and causing any tension to your natural hair. Now it's time for us to do the top portion of the wig, and I'm just going to be doing the invisible crochet method to this tiny U shape thing that we're having right here, just to close off the wig. So guys, it is so simple. This wig can take you about 45 minutes to an hour. It all depends on how long you take to do a crochet braid. So it's basically the same steps that you'd follow if you're doing it to your hair. You would also do the crochet invisible method at the top of your head, but it's not fastened to your hair, so it's way more protective. Your hair can last a whole lot longer, and it's just super easy because you don't have to be having your hand above your head for the entire time while you're doing this hairstyle. Okay guys, so now this is why I said that I should have made the black fabric a bit thicker, because right here, as you guys can see, I'm going through the mesh holes on the cap when I'm making this knot, and if the knot is made too small, it will slide through that hole. So if I had made the black fabric a little bit thicker, if I had left more portion for the black fabric, then I would just punch holes in that, and then I could have more control over the size of the holes, and then it would be a lot neater, and the hair would not have the chance of slipping through like it might slip through if you're not careful with these knots. So yeah, but don't worry about it, guys. I hope I explained it clearly for you guys, but if not, I'll be doing more videos with this method, so you guys can just check those out when I come with them next time. So now for the extreme portion where the elastic band is, you just want to use a scissors or something that is sharp enough, but just be very careful and just poke a hole or two in it. All depends on the distance that you have there. And then I'm just taking my black crochet needle, and I'll be putting all the stuff in the description box, so you guys can just check the description box where I'll just be linking everything for you guys to find them. So you just want to use that smaller needle now to just go through that hole and just finish up the same invisible crochet method until we are finished.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, this is how the wig is looking so far. I know it looks a bit spaced out right now, but it's so flexible. You can easily just maneuver it to your liking and have it as close as you want it when you put the clips in, and then you're ready to attach it to your head. So I went ahead and did the curls, and this is how it is looking. I'll be uploading a video on Thursday sharing with you guys how I curl this hair. So guys, this is the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also comment below, let me know what you think about this wig, and also feel free to share it with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on